In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in PDF for free on DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your file, move pages into the right order with a simple drag, and save or download the updated PDF without paying a cent. First, open your browser and head to docub.com. Sign in so you can access your files in the editor. Once you're on your dashboard, click the PDF you want to edit to open it in the DocHub editor. You'll see your document in the main workspace with tools around it. To view your pages, look to the left side for a sidebar showing small page thumbnails. If you don't see it, turn it on by clicking the side panel or pages icon. It looks like stacked rectangles or a small grid. This opens the page manager so you can see every page at a glance. With the thumbnails visible, you're ready to rearrange. Hover your mouse over any page thumbnail to make sure it's selectable. In DocHub, rearranging is done entirely by dragging and dropping. Click and hold the thumbnail of the page you want to move, drag it up or down in the list, and watch for a small line or highlight that shows where it will land. Release your mouse to drop the page into its new spot. Repeat this for any other pages you need to reorder. If a page doesn't move on the first try, release and try again with a steady click and drag from the center of the thumbnail. DocHub typically auto-saves your changes as you go. Look for a saved indicator near the top of the editor to confirm that your new order has been recorded. If you don't see that confirmation, click Save or Done to force a save. Give it a moment if your connection is slow, and avoid closing the tab until you see that it's saved. If you want a copy of the updated PDF on your computer, use the Export option. Click Export, then choose Download PDF. Pick a clear file name so you can tell it apart from the original, and save it to a folder you'll remember. This keeps your edited version handy while preserving your original file online. That's all you need to rearrange pages in a PDF on DocHub. Open your document, reveal the page thumbnails, drag pages into the right order, confirm it's saved, and export a copy if you need it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly organized PDF.